Hi there, I'm Darryl Williams from Python Bytes. That's my YouTube channel, Python Bytes, and my website is vandangleproductions.com. So in this tutorial, I would like to explain how to install Python 3. Okay, now we have two versions. If you go to the Python website at www.python.org, and then you go downloads, you have the option of Python 3.5, Python 2.7.10. 2.7.10 is the last version. That there may be some updates, but that's as far as they're going with Python 2.7. So the next version is Python 3. The latest version here, as you can see, is Python version 3.50. Now, with a previous tutorial I did, I was explaining how to use wx Form Builder in creating graphical user interfaces for Python programs. So someone did ask, how do you do it with Python 3? So I thought, okay, I'll do a tutorial showing you how to do this. Also with wx Form Builder, I had a previous tutorial how to build a GIF viewer and how to clean up the code and add a main loop so that you can run your frame. The code, there are a lot of changes that need to be done with that code generated by wx Form Builder to be able to run on Python 3. So I thought, okay, I should be doing tutorials on that. I'll be showing you how to install Python 3 and then wxPython. Now don't click this or download Python 3.5, because when you go to install wxPython, it's different to how you would do it with Python 2.7. Python 3, you use pip to install it. There are other methods, but I prefer to use pip. It just makes it easier installing modules with Python. So we click downloads up here on python.org. okay, we have the option here of these two versions. We don't want to do that. This is for Windows, it's not for Mac. I don't have a Mac computer. If I did, then I'd be doing a tutorial for you Mac guys. So this is for Windows. I click Windows and waiting. Okay, now we got Python releases for Windows, and you got the latest one there, Python 3.5, and then you have all these other versions. Okay, so prior to 3.5 is, I scroll down, 2.7, 3.5, 3.43. okay, now why am I looking at Python 3.4.3 or 3.4 rather than 3.5? Well, we want to install wxPython, and it will not, you won't be able to pip install wxPython on 3.5 because you use a code which is a snapshot. Okay, so I've got a link up here. Here's the snapshots at all the Phoenix, wxPython Phoenix version 3. It's called Phoenix. Okay, it's not version 2, it's now version 3 Phoenix, which will work with Python 3. Now if you notice here, we've got the versions. There's 2.7 meaning 2.7, 2.7, 2.7, 3.3, 3.4, no 3.5. You have to use Python 3.4 to be able to install it. That took me a long time to work out, a lot of frustration, until eventually I thought I should have a look at the snapshot builds. And there it is. They only have it for version 3.4. So we go here. I'm using Firefox, my web browser, Mozilla Firefox. So I want to download this, and to know where it downloads, a little trick, you probably know this, but I'll just let you know anyway. Click Tools. then go options. Before I do that, another trick. When you get Firefox default, there's no menu bar. Okay, so to get the menu bar, you go in this blank area up here, just above here, right click, menu bar. Click that, you got your menu bar on Firefox. Simple. Okay, click tools, you go options. By default it goes to the downloads folder, but I want to save it in my documents, and I've created a folder called Python 3.4. I select that, Python 3.4, that way I know where it is. There's no save button, just close the tab. Okay, so now we got Python 3.3. x86 is PC, right? So you got 64, you got a 64-bit version, and this one's a 32-bit. I've got Windows 7 32-bit, so I'll download this. So click that, and it says you've chosen to open, right? You click save file, then you go tools, downloads, and then it will show you how the download is going. Waiting. So that's done. So now I open, here we go. Now this is an installer, so we double click that, left click, click run. Do you want to run this file? Yes, I want to run it. And install for all users, yes, go next. We want to save it in our C directory, yes, so we go next, you go next. Okay, so now we're waiting for it to install. User account control, it's asking, do you want to allow the following program to install software on this computer? It's giving me the program name, Python 3.4.3, verified publisher, Python Software Foundation, so I click yes. Okay, now it's starting to download, going very fast. Copying new files, updating, component registration, creating folders. Okay, copying new files. This is exciting, isn't it? Okay, it's still going, as you can see. Come on, waiting. Getting closer. Okay, so as you can see, it's collecting pip. So pip is a tool used for installing modules, and fantastic idea. It's so easy installing and uninstalling modules, or even updating the modules. So glad we've got pip. Okay, so click finish. So now we've installed Python 3.4. Just to confirm that, type in here idle. Here we go, Python 3.4.3. Does it work? Okay, in Python 2.7 I would go print double quotes, you go hello, no, not world, Python. That's a change. Hello Python, not hello world. Syntax error. Oh, what do we do? Okay, print print these, quotation, hello Python. That's it. Print works. You have to put the parentheses on there now. No quotes. You put the quotes inside the parentheses. Everything that will be printed is inside the parentheses. I got so used to Python 2.7 I keep forgetting to put the parentheses on Python 3.4 or Python 3. Okay, that's it for the tutorial. We've installed Python. Next tutorial will be create the environment variables for Windows 7. So cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.